Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you something really cool. It is called Supabase. You can think of it as an open source alternative to Firebase, but with the power of SQL under the hood. If you have been looking for a backend that's quick to set up and still flexible enough for real world projects, this is definitely worth checking out. So, what is Supabase? It is a backend as a service. You get a ready to use database authentication, file storage, and even real time APIs, all without writing your own backend code. The best part, it is built on PostgreSQL, so you are not limited by NoSQL rules like Firebase. You get full SQL power. Why Supabase? Now you might be wondering, why should I use this instead of Firebase? Because it is open source, you are not locked into one provider. You get SQL instead of NoSQL, which is perfect if you need structured data and relationships. It has a real-time updates, so changes in the database show up instantly in your app. And honestly, the developer experience is super clean. Their dashboard and SDKs are just smooth. So let me give you a quick example. Suppose you are building a to-do app. With Supabase, you spin up a project, add a task table, immediately you have APIs ready. On the front end, you can insert a task, fetch tasks, or even listen for real-time updates whenever a new task is added. So in minutes, you have got a working backend. So when to use Supabase? Supabase is perfect when you need move fast for example, building MVPs and mobile apps or even personal projects, websites where you don't want to waste the time setting up a backend. And since it is scalable, you can start small and grow big without switching platforms. So yeah, that's Supabase in a nutshell. So if you want me to make a full tutorial where I connect Supabase with Flutter, React Native or in a web, then let me know. And thanks for watching.